Attention dear users. Are you struggling to create a powerful media visibility in this digital business world? Well, we are here to make it happen. Because you dream and we create. To stand out from the crowd, you need something unique and crisp, for which people could feel lucratively ravenous. Mega Fitness Bundle is a one-stop solution for all your problems for everyone who is vigorously searching for new connections on their corporate front as well as eager to build some personal skills. Transform into a proficient fitness instructor by acquiring invaluable insights and expert techniques for workouts, as well as comprehensive knowledge on nutrition. This path also offers the opportunity to pursue a career in this field. Discover and capitalize on this lucrative niche to unlock substantial financial gains. It's an excellent, first-class product that needs no struggle at your end and will pile up your bank accounts to thousands of dollars in profit. The world is running at a higher pace, and people are getting very busy due to their workload, eventually costing them their fitness. People are gaining weight and are starting to worry about their health more. The realm of health and fitness is increasingly embracing digital advancements, catering to individuals who have limited availability for gym attendance. Our product is specifically tailored to assist such individuals, offering a curated selection of our finest ebooks, articles, and quote images. Let's see how you can use this product in various ways. Individuals can learn about various aspects of health and fitness at their own pace as the ebooks provide in-depth knowledge on specific topics. People can use the product to set and track their health and fitness goals as the ebooks includes comprehensive programs or plans tailored to specific objectives, such as weight loss, muscle gain, or improving overall well-being. Individuals can personalize the product to suit their needs. They can select ebooks and articles that align with their target audience's specific interests or health goals and loads of cash. You can monetize really well by selling this product forward with private label rights and keep 100% of profits. This pack contains knowledge about not only the standard diet but also the vegan and keto diets, which is lucratively beneficial. The content can be adapted to fit different lifestyles, preferences, or even cater to specific health conditions or fitness levels. You can even use the quote images on different social media platforms and drive 2 times more traffic and get conversions. You can also publish the articles on your website to drive engagement on your website and convert into sales. So, don't think much and buy this value-packed product loaded with benefits. Presenting Mega Fitness Bundle. Accelerate your engagement and earn ceaseless profits now. Mega Fitness Bundle is a startling product with 150 ebooks on health and fitness from which you can learn about great exercises of particular body parts, along with 5,000 articles on health and wellness covering topics like aerobics, strength training, nutrition and diet, and 2,500 quote images on yoga. Plus, it has a considerable amount of business focus and has an audience worth paying attention to. This is your only precious golden opportunity to becoming rich and building wealth for good. This will give you a boost to your conversions effortlessly. Let's take a look at what you will get in this wholesome package. 150 ebooks on health and fitness. 5,000 articles on health and wellness. 2,500 quote images on yoga. Download this fantastic product to understand the surging popularity of Mega Fitness Bundle and how it benefits your business. Every setup is done for you and suits your needs. You just need to purchase the product at such a low price, download the content, and get started now.